enemy of God our Father had hijacked the true remnant, the Seventh-day Adventist. How? By redefining John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in Him should not perish but have everlasting life. You see, friends, today the church taught that God is a unity of three co-eternal, co-equal persons. That Jesus is not a real begotten Son, but He is a unique, pretending to be the Son, but He is actually God, the Son. Now, why is this very, very erroneous? Because there are only two divine beings revealed in the Scripture. God and the Son of God. The Father and Jesus. Two divine beings had been split to make it believe that there is only one God and the three persons, co-eternal, co-equal, same